Hello guys, my name is Sara and I am representative of Aradhan Bilcom. Hello there. I am looking for a new flat. Looking for a new flat to buy? Yes, the flat with great facilities. Aradhan Bilcom. Introduce a best connectivity apartment. Here are some highlights for you. For our 1RK, 1 BHK, 2 BHK, our apartment is located only 2 minutes of walking distance from railway station. It has master bedroom. It has large kitchen and a society temple. On a staggering, starting from 365 square feet to 845 square feet. The location of our site is on Dombivli and Kopar. The master bedroom have best station way mountain view. And these are our amenities. Hurry up and book your desired home with our flexible price. For more information, contact us on this number and you can send a mail.